On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 6 geese a laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
7 swans are swimming
6 geese a laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the eighth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 8 maids a milking,
7 swans are swimming
6 geese a laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking,
7 swans are swimming
6 geese a laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking,
7 swans are swimming
6 geese a laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
11 pipers piping
10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking,
7 swans are swimming
6 geese a laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 12 drummers drumming, 9 pipers piping, 9 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking,
7 swans are swimming
6 geese a laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds,
3 French hens 2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. Bro, 9 pipers piping.